Hey Marvels! Tired of feeling like a deflated balloon in a world of superheroes? What if I told you your secret super serum is already inside you? Today, we're hacking testosterone, no lab coats or weird potions required. Stick around, and I'll show you how to unleash your inner THOR. This is Mind Body Marvel, where we turn science into superpowers. Forget sketchy pills. We're revealing 5 natural, research-backed tricks to boost your T levels faster than Hulk smashes puny problems. 1. Sleep, your secret T factory. Pull all-nighters? Congrats, your testosterone just took a nosedive. Deep sleep equals T production prime time. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. Pro tip, ditch screens before bed unless you want Netflix to literally steal your manhood. 2. Lift heavy, not just your phone. Sculpting a Greek god bod? Squats, deadlifts, and sprints spike testosterone like crazy. But if your heaviest lift is a pizza box, we've got work. No gym? Do bodyweight workouts. Drop and give me 20 or 5. I won't judge. 3. Eat like a T-Rex but healthier. Zinc plus vitamin D equals testosterone's BFFs. Load up on oysters, eggs, and salmon. Vegans? Pumpkin seeds and legumes. Avoid sugar, it turns your testosterone into a sleepy sloth. 4. Stress less, testosterone more. Stress equals cortisol equals testosterone's evil twin. Chill like a Zen walrus, meditate, walk in nature, or scream into a pillow. If anyone catches you, just say, testosterone therapy, Karen. 5. Ditch the DAD BOD trap. Excess belly fat? It's hoarding estrogen like a dragon with gold. Burn fat, build muscle, testosterone soars. Cardio plus strength training equals a dynamic duo. Your mission, swap beer for weights once a week. Your testosterone levels will thank you with more energy, confidence, and marvelous side effects. Boom! You're now armed with 5 testosterone boosting hacks to go from meh to marvelous. Smash the like button if you're pumped. Subscribe, we drop life-changing tips every week. Comment below, I'm on it. Or your biggest challenge, I'll help. Until then, go be your own hero.